What up guys, Jesse here with King City Customs. Today I'm going to show you our CNC and a little bit about how it works, just a little bit, not a whole lot. I'm not going to go too in depth. I'm just going to kind of give you guys a look into the shop and what we do here. So we're going to print, well, we're going to engrave some Audi rings into a piece of wood, and I'll show you guys how that turns out here after we get done with, I'm going to give you a little bit of a time lapse so you can actually see how the CNC works. Because if you notice, it's not like a regular CNC table, it's leaned against the wall and it's chain driven. Now I know some of you guys have probably seen these or seen something like it. Again, I'm just showing you, you know. Coulter's doing a little bit of cleanup work here. So we got a look at how it looks as a whole. Oh, heck yeah. Pretty freaking decent. Hell yeah. So obviously whenever it's done cutting, it's still, there's like some rough edges and little, he's just doing a little finish work, just sanding, you know, nothing crazy. Yeah, that's pretty much all that I got for you on that one, guys. We use it quite a bit. We don't use it necessarily every day, but the days that we do use it, we use it a lot. It's also how we engrave acrylic. I bought the CNC, guys. I had no CNC experience whatsoever. Just kind of figured it out myself, and I'm self-taught. That's honestly how I've learned to do a lot of what I do today, is just trial and error, and then keep doing it until you get it right. And you know, once you get to a certain point, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow us on Facebook.com/KingCityCustoms, Instagram.com/KingCityCustoms, and have a nice day.